Hi guys! Okay, so I'm really super excited about this video. I've been buying a lot of toys for my toy farm, and I realized I haven't actually bought any farm toys, and I'm just buying regular kids toys, and so decided it's about time I buy some farm toys. So I went to Ross again, of course, because where else would have I gone? And I found some farm animals for my toy farm. And this is probably going to be some of my most favorite toys of all, besides Torch. So Torch now has some farm buddies. I don't just have a dragon on my farm, I have more farm animals. Okay, are you ready? So, the first animal is a tortoise, because let's face it, every single farm needs a tortoise. This is Little Turtle, and he is a little live pet, so I'm really excited. He swims. We'll see how well he does. Okay, the second animal is this cute little baby kitten. Isn't she so cute? She's a fur real friend. And she sings. She's so cute. Okay. That was her. Third animal. Can you see him? It's a tarantula. He's an RC remote control tarantula, so he will be creeping all around our farm. Isn't he really super cute? I don't know what I'm going to name him. Maybe Smithsonian? Yeah, this is Smithsonian. The tarantula. I think the kids will love that one. Okay. Fourth one. Puppy. He's another cute little for real friend, and he comes with a little bone. He's really cute. Oh, and I guess he wags his tail and everything. Okay. Then we got a little live pet. Doesn't work. Oh, there he is. This is Tweet Talking Bird. Doesn't have a name, but she can record and repeat every word. Hello? Hello? I'm not sure how she works. Oh! That's why she wasn't working. Hello? Hello? How do you work? Hello? Still super cute. Okay. And the very last one. Okay, these two are my absolute favorite. They're the most exciting. And one thing that one idea that I loved about having a farm was the little farm babies that I was going to have. Because, you know, all my farm babies were going to grow up and have more babies. And I was just really excited about that. And, you know, that doesn't really happen with stuffed animals. But guess what? It now does. Because meet Bianca and Amber. They are surprise safari pets, and guess what? They're pregnant. So Bianca may have it says 3, 4, or 5 cups, and same with Amber. She could be pregnant with 3, 4, or 5 cubs. I didn't even know that such a thing existed, and I'm very curious to find out how stuffed animals have babies. I mean, I don't know if it's the old natural way, or if it's C-section, or totally different way, but somehow she's pregnant and there's babies in her tummy, in both of their tummies, and excited. I'm really excited to have babies. Babies. We're gonna have little baby cubs. So, be sure to watch my farm videos of us opening up our new farm toys for our toy farm. And be sure to watch Bianca and Amber having babies. I think that's gonna be the next video I make because I'm sure they're due any minute. I think those babies are just about to pop out, so better open up those boxes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.